on this episode. So I'm making turkey pepper soup for my whole family, and this is how I made it. This is just organic and it's giving a different vibe, different from what you used to know. It's time to make dinner, and I thought, what is best for me to prep? I remembered I have few turkey left in the freezer, and this is it, 4 pieces. So I quickly washed and put them in a pot. Guys, we're making turkey pepper soup, so I add in few ingredients, you know, the normal ingredients: pepper, onions, and little. So when it has boiled, I pour in more water, and this is my pepper soup spice. This is homemade. I made it myself. It has uziza seed, oda seed, and some other spice. So I blended them and I added them into this cooking. Guys, I make my own homemade spice. So I have to bring out that pepper and then blend it. So at this point, I have to put in my sweet bitter leaf. This is ota's leaves. I prefer blending it because it has this unique taste and flavor when I blend it. So I'll allow that to cook a bit. At this point, I needed to add a little cayenne pepper because the pepper in the cooking wasn't enough. I needed to be a bit hot, so I added more cayenne pepper. And this is also my ota's leaves. This is finely chopped. I'll just allow this cook for more 5 or 10 minutes, and then my pepper soup is ready. My unique pepper soup is ready. So what will you pair this with? I'm pairing mine with rice, white rice, and the taste of this pepper soup is unique. Very, very unique. This is one recipe you should try. So let me know if you've tried this method before, or are there other turkey pepper soup recipes you are willing to share? Let me know in the comments. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.